Let's look at another example involving the square root method. Okay, so let's say we're given the equation 3z minus 2 squared equals 4. Okay, so once again, when we look at this, we can see that our variable is inside a set of parentheses. That set of parentheses is squared. So instead of foiling everything out and setting it equal to 0 and trying to solve that way, we're just going to use the square root method again. So square root method. That means I put a square root on both sides of my equation, 3z minus 2 squared equals, please don't forget you need a plus or minus sign here, the square root of 4. Okay, and the reason we do this is because this radical is going to get rid of this exponent, and I'm just left with the inside, 3z minus 2 equals plus or minus, and I know the square root of 4, so I can simplify this. Square root of 4 is 2. And now once again, my variable is out of the parentheses. I don't have anything being squared anymore, so I can go ahead and continue to solve for z. So I need to move everything away from z. So I'm going to take this 2 and add it to both sides. Once again, this 2 I'm going to place in front of my plus or minus sign. So I have 3z equals positive 2 plus or minus 2. And again, remember that you have two solutions here, so let's write this out twice. I've got 3z equals 2 minus 2, and 3z equals 2 plus 2. So here 3z equals 0, and here 3z equals 4. Okay, almost there. I need to divide both sides by 3. So divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. Okay, I needed to do it in all of the equations I have. This reduces to 1, so I'm left with z equals 0. And again, for my second equation, this reduces to 1, and I'm left with z equals 4/3. And we're done.